Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if you're new here. How are you? Please subscribe down below because I make new content every day and most of it is good. I know I'm a little late to the game, but I got the James Charles palette and I'm excited to test it out with you guys. I have not touched any of the shadows. I did go in and write all the names on the palette. I don't know if you can even see that, but I went ahead and wrote all the names on it, so when I'm talking about them or whatever, I know what they are. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you and then I'm gonna do a look. First we have Canvas, Ring Light, So Good. I'm sorry, I've never done it like this before. And 518, Rusted Halloween Wig and Tee. Ooh, yes. As you can see, they are, yeah. Then we have Punch Me, Sister, Mary, and Literally. I use the word literally way too much, and I don't even care. I've told you guys before, I'm not the best at swatches. I'm just not. Then we have You're Kidding, Shook, Boutique, and Berry. Oh, yes. Uh-huh. Yeah. Flashback, Face, Tune, Code James. Let's start off up here. $10% off, No Beans, and Spooky. I didn't do a fourth one. I know my swatches are not the greatest. Then we have B, Guac, I think it's Hello, but I spelled it wrong, weird. Hello. And Playground. Oh, yep, that's a pretty yellow. Guac is gorgeous. That one kind of reminds me of the shimmery blue in the Jaclyn Hill palette, but Playground is absolutely gorgeous. I could see B and Playground making a beautiful eye look. So then we have Brother, Artistry. Ooh, I think Artistry is going to be one of my favorites. Love that. And Pink Drink. I will not say the other way because I don't like it. I wrote it down as the way he had it on there, but I do not prefer to say that. It's not even reading on camera how pretty it is. Oh yeah, I love that. And then we'll do the last row on this side. Social Blade, Daddy, Cape Cod, and Coke. Cape Cod kind of reminds me of, I'm not sure what color it is, but it just reminds me of something else. So then we have Acapella. That reminds me of Glee. I love Glee. Escape, Single, and Skip. Acapella is beautiful, and Skip is super bright. Alright guys, I am going to go ahead and get into the eye look real quick, so just stay tuned. I mean, it performs like the other Morphe palettes that I have. I mean, obviously, you know, my Melt Cosmetics palette is better, but this is still really, really great quality, especially for the price. This one is 50 bucks. This one is 40 bucks. This comes with 8 shadows. This one comes with, I think it's 35. I don't know, I'm probably wrong. I'm like most likely wrong. 35 I think, but I'm probably wrong. Either way, you can tell the price difference. You can tell, you know, the quality is a little different, but this is still so good. I'm going to keep my Back to Brazil palette, but I don't like it to the point where I've started using it when I do my face stuff. That way, like this, I wouldn't want to do that because I don't want to waste the shadows that way. I want to be able to enjoy these for a long time, and I've already hit pan on a lot of the colors in the Back to Brazil palette from using it on face looks. So to me, that just tells me how different the qualities are, because I know I'm going to use this one. I know I'm going to like create looks with it, and that one's going to be like, if it doesn't turn out, I'm not going to be upset that I wasted a whole pan of shadow, but if it does, awesome. Which, you know, here lately it's been really nice because when I do the face things, you know, it doesn't come up as well as I want it to, so then I turn around and pack like a nicer palette on top of the color, so that way I'm only using a little bit of the nicer product versus all of the nice product. So the shadows blend great, the pigment is there. Like, obviously I really didn't have to do very much blending to get this look on either eye, and I played with quite a few colors, as you can see. So I knew I was gonna like it because it's Morphe, and I tend to like most of Morphe's stuff. I was trying to talk myself out of it. I know how much controversy goes in between Morphe products, and I didn't want to be bugging you all with just a bunch of Morphe, but I'm so glad that I did. It is absolutely stunning. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell icon so that way you can see whenever I post. And check out some of my other videos down below, because I post every single day, and there's lots of content from cooking, cleaning, parenting, makeup, of course, just a little bit of everything, and there's bound to be something you enjoy. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!